Eat lunch, and this is my food. So pork apretada with rice. So let's eat. Shout out everyone. Hope you like my video. So good. I cooked this one. It's with potato, carrots, bell pepper, red and green, and I put a little bit of ketchup and carrots and potato. So let's eat. Super tender. Thank you guys. It's weekend today. Wait, I need water. Okay guys, so I have water now. Let's eat. Join with me eating. Sarap. I cooked it yesterday. So I've been eating lunch, dinner, lunch. I try to avoid. I like hot dog, but hot dog is not one of the 3 worst food to eat. Number 1 is drinking soda. Number 1 is drinking soda. Number 2 is French fries, and number 3 is hot dog. Those are the 3 things food you avoid to eat. So I'm making this vlog to my other channel. So yeah. My other channel is almost, what, 7K? I might do live stream at night. Thank you guys. Join with me eating. Before I eat, I've done a lot already. I vacuum, I wash clothes, then I eat. So yeah. There's no more meat. I only had few meat. So the sweetness is natural from ketchup and carrots. I don't put sugar. And thank you for watching. It's done. And God bless you all. See you around. Bye guys.